evening. Right, I've had one bite, that's it. But when it comes in looking like this, you don't really mind that you've only had one bite, do you? Have a look at this fucking clonker. That absolute beauty. One and only bite. But look at it. There's a beast of a river warrior. Another big one coming out of this spot. If that's the one and only bite I get tonight, I'll be a happy man. Another big nice river perch. That was taken on a mollick stick flex, just fished slowly on the bottom. Right, I'm gonna get it back. Catch you later.